Hello, welcome back to Daily English Ember. I'm Ella.
And I'm James. On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English.
Today, we're going to learn how to talk about money problems. It's a very important and practical topic.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. It really helps us.
Let's get started. So, James, how are you today?
I'm okay, but actually a little stressed.
Stressed? What's wrong?
Well, I'm having some money problems this month. My expenses are very high.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Money problems are really stressful.
They are, but I'm trying to manage it. Do you ever have money problems, Ella?
Yes, sometimes. I think everyone has money problems at some point in their life.
That's true. It's a normal thing, but it's not easy to talk about.
You're right. Many people feel uncomfortable talking about money, but I think it's important to discuss it.
I agree. So let's talk about it today. Maybe it will help our viewers too.
Good idea. So, James, what kind of money problems are you having?
Well, this month I spent too much money. I bought some new furniture for my apartment, and it was more expensive than I expected.
Oh, I understand. Furniture can be very expensive. How much did you spend?
I spent about $800. It was a new couch and a small table.
That is expensive. But you needed furniture, right?
Yes, I needed it. My old couch was broken, but now I don't have much money left for the rest of the month.
That's difficult. So what are you going to do?
I need to be very careful with my spending. I'm going to make a budget.
A budget? That's a good idea. What exactly is a budget?
A budget is a plan for your money. You write down how much money you have and how much you need to spend. It helps you control your spending.
That makes sense. Do you have a budget normally?
No, I don't usually make a budget. I just spend money when I need things. But I think I need to start.
I make a budget every month. It really helps me.
Really? How do you make your budget?
Well, first I write down my income. That's the money I earn from my job.
Okay, so your salary.
Yes, exactly. My salary is my income. Then I write down all my expenses.
Expenses. Those are the things you spend money on, right?
Yes, correct. My expenses include my rent, my food, my transportation, my phone bill, everything.
That sounds like a lot of things to write down.
It is, but it's important. When you see all your expenses written down, you understand where your money goes.
That's smart. So after you write everything down, what do you do?
Then I subtract my expenses from my income. If I have money left over, that's good. I can save it.
And if you don't have money left over?
Then I need to cut my expenses. I need to spend less money on some things.
That's the hard part, isn't it? Cutting expenses.
It is, but sometimes it's necessary. What are your biggest expenses, James?
My biggest expense is my rent. I pay $1,200 every month for my apartment.
Wow, that's expensive. Is your apartment big?
No, it's not very big, just one bedroom. But it's in a good location, close to my work.
Location makes rent expensive. My rent is $900. I live a little far from the city center.
That's cheaper. Do you mind living far from the center?
Not really. I take the subway to work. It takes 30 minutes, but I save money on rent.
That's a good trade-off. What other expenses do you have?
Well, I spend about $400 on food every month.
400? Is that groceries or eating out?
Both. I spend about $250 on groceries and about $150 eating at restaurants.
I probably spend more than that on food. I eat out a lot.
Eating out is expensive. It's much cheaper to cook at home.
I know, but I'm not a good cook. And after work, I'm too tired to cook.
I understand, but maybe you can learn some simple recipes. It would save you money.
You're probably right. What else do you spend money on?
I spend about $100 on transportation. That's my subway pass.
I spend more on transportation. I have a car, so I pay for gas and car insurance.
How much is that?
Gas is about $150 a month, and insurance is $120.
So that's $270 total. That's a lot.
It is. Sometimes I think about selling my car and taking public transportation instead.
That would save you money. But maybe you need your car?
Sometimes I do. On weekends, I drive to visit my family. They live in another city.
Oh, then the car is important for you. Family is important.
Yes, it is. What about other expenses? Do you have any debts?
Debts? You mean money I owe?
Yes, exactly. Like credit card debt or student loans?
Oh, yes. I have student loans. I'm still paying for my university education.
How much do you pay every month?
I paid $200 every month. I'll be paying for many more years.
That's tough. Student loans are a big problem for many people.
They are. I wish university was cheaper. Do you have student loans?
Yes, I do. I pay $300 a month. My debt is very high.
When will you finish paying?
In about 8 more years. It's a long time.
That's frustrating. But at least we have good educations.
That's true. We need to think positive. What about credit cards? Do you use credit cards?
Yes, I have 2 credit cards, but I try not to use them too much.
That's smart. Credit cards can be dangerous
Why do you say dangerous?
because it's easy to spend money you don't have, and then you have to pay interest.
Interest? Can you explain that?
Sure. Interest is extra money you pay when you borrow money. If you don't pay your credit card bill in full, the credit card company charges you interest.
How much is the interest usually?
It can be very high, sometimes 15% or 20% or even more.
That's a lot. So if I owe $100, I might have to pay $120?
Yes, exactly. That's why credit card debt is so bad. The debt grows bigger and bigger.
That's scary. I always try to pay my credit card bill in full every month.
That's the best way to use a credit card. Do you have any credit card debt right now?
No, thankfully I don't. But last year I did. I had about $2,000 in debt.
That must have been stressful. How did you pay it off?
It took me 6 months. I stopped eating out. I stopped buying new clothes. I just focused on paying the debt.
That takes a lot of discipline. Good job for paying it off.
Thank you. It felt great when I finally paid the last dollar.
I bet. So let's talk about saving money. Do you save money every month?
I try to, but it's difficult. Sometimes I can only save $50 or $100.
That's okay. Saving even a little bit is good. I have trouble saving too.
Do you have a savings account?
Yes, I do. I have a savings account at my bank, but there's not much money in it.
How much do you have saved?
I have about $1,500. It's my emergency fund.
Emergency fund? What's that?
It's money you save for emergencies, like if your car breaks down, or if you lose your job, or if you have a medical problem.
Ah, that's smart. Everyone should have an emergency fund.
Yes, financial experts say you should have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved.
3 to 6 months? That's a lot of money.
It is. I don't have that much yet, but I'm working on it.
Me too. I think I have about $800 saved.
That's a good start. Every little bit helps. So, Ella, do you have any tips for saving money? How can I spend less?
Well, there are many ways to save money. First, you can cut unnecessary expenses.
Like what?
Like subscriptions. Do you have any subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify?
Yes, I have Netflix, Spotify, and a gym membership.
How much do those cost?
Netflix is $15, Spotify is $10, and the gym is $50. So that's $75 a month.
That's quite a bit. Do you use all of them?
Well, I use Netflix and Spotify a lot, but honestly, I don't go to the gym very much.
Then maybe you should cancel the gym membership. That would save you $50 a month.
You're right. I could exercise at home or go running outside for free.
Exactly. That's one way to save money. Another way is to cook at home more often.
We talked about that earlier. I really should learn to cook.
It's not difficult. You can start with simple meals, like pasta or rice with vegetables.
I can do that. If I stop eating out so much, I could probably save $200 a month.
That's significant. $200 can make a big difference.
What other tips do you have?
Well, you can also look for cheaper alternatives. Like, instead of buying expensive coffee at a cafe, make coffee at home.
Oh, I spend a lot on coffee. I buy a coffee every morning on my way to work.
How much does that cost?
About $5.
$5 every day. That's about $150 a month.
Really? I never calculated it. That's so much money.
If you make coffee at home, it costs maybe 50 cents per cup.
Wow. I could save over $100 just by making coffee at home.
Yes, these small changes add up to big savings.
This is really helpful, Ella. I'm learning a lot.
If you want to see the next episode, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and comment part 2 so we know you're ready for it.